consuming only one meal a day is probably not the best thing if your goal is to be healthy, if your goal is to lose weight. What's up? Just wanted to put up a quick video, and I saw some people talking about Omad, one meal a day. So I kind of wanted to give my feedback on why consuming only one meal a day is probably not the best thing if your goal is to be healthy, if your goal is to lose weight. Why? Because, okay, one meal a day, from my experience, and basically, if you don't know what that OMAD stands for, one meal a day. So there's a diet, a fad diet that people go on where they just consume one meal a day. Now here's the thing. Here's the problem with that. I'm going to say 99% of the people that I speak with are not eating enough food, right? Now, I'm not talking about junk food. They're not eating enough real food. Now, it's very difficult to eat a lot of whole, minimally processed foods. It's easy to consume a lot of junk food, obviously. And when they come into our program and we see that they have a difficult time eating the amount of food that they need to eat for their body to function properly. And if you don't know that, your body does need calories in order to function. Metabolism, brain function, reproductive function, a whole bunch of stuff. If you're not consuming the correct amount of calories, sure, you may lose weight, you may not, but your body's not going to function properly. So you need to make sure you consume the right amount of calories before reducing your food. Now, consuming one meal a day, if people can't consume the right amount of food throughout an entire day, it's very unlikely that they're going to be able to consume all the new food and nutrients that they need for their body to function properly in just one meal. So I don't, and I wouldn't recommend the one meal a day strategy. I don't think it's a good strategy. If it's like a day thing, like one off, sure. I mean, right? People fast for a day, but if this is something that's ongoing, then no, it's probably not going to be a good idea because, again, you're not going to be able to eat the amount of protein, carbs, fats that you need just to be healthy and to be able to preserve your muscle. So you're going to wind up, if you do lose any weight, you're going to wind up losing muscle. And yeah, it's just going to make weight loss even harder for you. So I would not recommend the one meal a day strategy because that does not mean you're going to lose the kind of weight that you're really wanting to lose, which is fat, not muscle. So hope that helps you. See you next time.